when you go to get pre-qualified. Sometimes you have to teach your lender this because they don't even know their own program. You can use the future rental income to qualify. You want to buy a 2-family house or a 4-family house. What banks should do, and most do in their guidelines, is if you're going to live in one unit as an owner-occupant and rent these other units out, say you were to rent these units out for $800 a piece, each unit. The banks will give you between 70% and 90% credit of this $29,000 of future rental income towards the $15,000 you currently make. So if they were to give you 70%, let's just say $21,000, that means the bank will say, hey, we know you make $15,000 working part-time at Foot Locker, but because of the future rental income, we're going to use the extra rental income at $21,000 to qualify you at actually $36,000 a year. And you can do that with multiple co-borrowers and using Section 8 and 3% down payments. Not to mention in most inner cities, and I'm pretty sure in Detroit, there is down payment assistance programs that'll cover up to 100% of your down payment on a property. No reason why we don't have some assets.